Hello everyone, I'm Lokesh here. Welcome back to CAD NEST. In this tutorial, we are going to see how to use the design software Catia V5. So if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please do like, share and subscribe to our CAD NEST YouTube channel.
I'm going to teach how to create this plumber block parts, that is part by part. In upcoming classes we'll be going for assembly of this feature. So let us create the part one by one. For that I'll be going for part design environment. Here I'll be creating my base part first. For that let us go for a sketch, that is I'll be drawing this half section and I'll be mirroring it towards center line. So let me go for sketch. On the center plane I'll be drawing my profile. So like this I'll be drawing my base profile. Now I'll be going to our constraints, that is you can see the total distance it is given as 208. So this distance it will be 104, and also this angle it is given as 106 degrees, and also this height will be specifying as 14. So this is our base feature. So I'll be mirroring this feature on the center plane. So I'll select my curve, go for mirror, select the center line. So like this we'll be mirroring. Exit from the sketch, then I'll go for pad this sketch to a mirror extent of, the total extent is given as 46. So if I take it as mirror, I'll be giving half of it, that is 23, and I'll be mirroring my base part. On this base part I'll be creating my top feature. I'll be going for sketch. On this top face I'll be going for sketch. I'll take a circle from a center. I'll be drawing a circle with the radius, that is R54. And now I'll take a line, draw two simple lines like this, and then go for constraints, select this edge line and then give a right click. Here go for coincident. Now you can see both the lines lie in a same line. Again this line, give a right click, coincidence. Like this will be constraining. Then we'll go for trim feature, that is quick trim, and we'll trim the extra curves like this. Like this I'll be drawing my base. Exit. Now I'll go for pad. This pad distance, the total distance is given as 68, out of which 14 has been created. So here I'll be specifying 68 minus 14. So like this we have created our base feature. Now let us go for this circular cutout. Let me take a sketch on the face. Here I will be drawing a circle with the radius, that is R24. Go for circle. The radius it is given as 24, like this. And now I'll be defining the height, that is from the top edge you can see the center point is at a distance of 20, that is 16 plus 4, 20. So from top edge distance I'll be taking it as 20. And now you can see there is a profile like this. For this I'll be taking my profile and I'll be drawing a line like this. So let us go for constraints and constrain them. From this to center, the distance it is given as 56, that is total it is to 56. Half of it will be 56 by 2. So now I'll be going for mirroring this feature. Before that, one more constraint, that is from the center to this line, the distance it is given as 4. from center to this line. This distance it should be 4. Now go for trim of feature, quick trim, and I'll trim this curve. Now I'll go for mirroring curve. I'll select this line, go for mirror, select the center line. So like this you will mirror your feature. Then again the same way I'll take a line like this. Then we go for constraints and we'll constrain this and then this, go for coincide. Then again I'll take a trim line, quick trim, and I'll trim this extra curve. So like this we'll be creating our outer profile. So finish. Here we go for pocket options in order to remove the material. So under pocket you should remove to a distance of 46. Give it as OK. Now you can see we have almost created our base feature. The minor cutouts are left. So let us go for that. On the base feature you can see there is a groove of the depth 2 mm, that is overall length it is given as 195. Let us create that. Go for sketch, under base and select this face. Here we will be creating our say rectangle like this, and this distance it is given as 195, and here they have not specified the width of a rectangle, so let me take it as 2 from either ends like this. Then let us go for pocket option. Go for pocket, and this pocket depth they have specified as 2 mm. Like this we will be creating a pocket at the base. Then next we go for the square cutouts and circular cutouts and all. The square dimensions they are given as 28, and also the circular dimensions they are given as 12 from the top at a distance of 78. So let us create that. For that I will take a sketch. On top face I will be drawing my sketch. Go for a circle with the diameter 12 mm. Diameter 12 is nothing but radius 6, and the distance from center it has given as 78 by 2. And now I will mirror the curve. Select the curve, go for mirror along the center line. Exit. Now go for pocket option. This pocket should be through all, that is they have given us 12 through. Through is nothing but a complete pocket. For that we go for up to last here. Then give it as OK. Now you can see the through all hole have been created. So next we will be creating the square cutouts. For that let us take a sketch and select a base plane. Here I will be going for rectangle, and I will be drawing a rectangle like this. This dimension it is given as square 28. Let us dimension this 28, and the width is also 28. And now the distance we know it as the total 78. So center it will be 39. Like this I have created my feature. Here also we go for mirror, select the curve, go for mirror feature along the center line. Exit. Again go for pocket. This pocket depth it should be given as 10 mm. Depth give it as 10 and give it as OK. Like this you will be creating your pocket at the bottom. And next we are having these 2 holes, that is elongated holes on both the sides. For that I will be taking sketch. We select the face. Here we will be creating our elongated feature. We have a predefined profile. Go for elongated hole. Like this we will be creating our profile, and we will be specifying our distances. This length it is given as 8 mm. And also from our center it should be 154 by 2. Like this we have created our profile. Then we'll go for mirror option. We'll select the curve, go for mirror, select the center axis. It will be mirrored along the center line. Again go for pocket and pocket this up to a depth of say 14 mm. Give it as OK. Now you can see we have created our elongated hole feature. Then one last feature that is left is there is a hole at this end. For this, in order to create this pocket, we don't have a flat surface. That is, if I take a sketch and go on this curved feature, you can see my curved feature is not getting selected. But if I go on flat surfaces, here you can see my flat surface is getting selected. But on curved surface, it is not getting selected. So for this, what we'll be doing is, we'll be taking a reference plane and creating a hole on that face. So you go for reference plane. So we know from the top the center is at a distance of 20. So what I'll be doing is I'll be taking a reference plane with top as my reference and to a depth of 20, that is offset as 20. I'll be taking a reference plane in a reverse direction. Give it as OK. Now we can see we have took a reference plane to the center of my circle. So what we'll be doing is go for sketch and select this reference plane, not the face. We should select the reference plane. Here we'll be drawing your circle at the center. The diameter it is given as 8 mm. Dia 8 is nothing but radius 4. Double click and edit it as 4. Exit from the sketch. And now we know the distance, that is from center to this arc it is 24, that is R24, and the depth it is given as 8 mm. So the total depth it will be 24 plus 8 mm. So go for pocket, select your feature. Here you should enter 24 plus 8 in a reverse direction. Like this we will be creating our hole feature. Give it as OK. Your hole feature will be created. And one last feature we have remaining is that is fillet at the edges. It is given as R8. So we'll go for edge fillet. And at edge fillet we will specify the radius as 8. And we'll select the curves. So this is my curve. And also this edge. Then give it as OK. Now we can see we have created our base features successfully. So in next video we'll create some more parts and let us go for assembly of this plumber block. So this is all for now. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you.